All right, guys, it's Coach Lambert. It is Wednesday. I'm going to go over 8.3, which is the coordinate plane. Now, the coordinate plane is an ordered pair system where two lines intersect. The horizontal line is called the x-axis. The vertical line is called the y-axis. This coordinate plane system is broken up into four separate quadrants. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And guys, those quadrants have a specific Roman numeral that represent them. The quadrants will not move. Notice this is counterclockwise. This will always be quadrant 1. This will always be quadrant 2. This will always be quadrant 3. And this will always be quadrant 4. So those Roman numerals will not change. Now, the point where the two axes intersect, this point right here, is called the origin. Okay, it's very important. The point where the two lines intersect is called the origin. And the origin has an ordered pair of 0, 0. Okay? So this is called the coordinate plane. The y-axis, the x-axis, the point where it intersects is the origin, and it's separated into four separate, what we call quadrants. This will always be quad 1, this will always be quad 2, this will always be quad 3, this will always be quad 4. Now, each quadrant, it's very important, you have to know Now, in an ordered pair system, in this coordinate plane system, each point each point in this system has an ordered pair that represents it. For instance, this point right here in the coordinate plane system, this point right here has the ordered pair 3, 1. That first number in the ordered pair represents the x. The second number in the ordered pair represents the y. So that first number, the 3, the x coordinate, that x coordinate tells you which way it moves on the x-axis. So that x coordinate actually tells you whether you're going to go left or right. Obviously, if it's positive, we're going to go right. If it's negative, we're going to go left. That second number in your ordered pair is called the y coordinate. And the y coordinate tells you up or down. Think about it. This is the y-axis. The y coordinate is going to tell you whether to go up or down. And if it's positive, you're going to go up. If it's negative, you're going to go down. So this point, 3, 1, we start at the origin. The first number tells us left or right. It's positive, so I go right, 1, 2, 3. The second number, the y coordinate, is 1, so I go up 1. And I plot the point. That's my point, 3, 1. X coordinate, y coordinate. The x coordinate tells you left or right. The y coordinate tells you up or down. So let's try an example. Okay. If I wanted you to plot point A at -2, 3, let's see how we would do that. We would start at the origin, and the first number in the ordered pair tells us x, the x coordinate. It tells us left or right. So because it's -2, I'm going to go 2 in the negative direction. 1, 2. And then I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. That point right there, point A, is -2, 3. Now, if I asked you, in what quadrant is point A? Well, remember the quadrants. Quad 1, quad 2, quad 3, quad 4. Obviously, point A falls